Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you're watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful and super classy braids hairstyles that you love to rock in 2024 as a black woman. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these braid styles. Are you a lover of braids? Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below, and I'll be super excited to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these amazing styles compound for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Press More Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you would love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. Until I come your way again next time with beautiful and super classy hairstyles, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Do have a lovely day and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.